I wanted to make a lemon wreath for my front door, so all of these supplies that I purchased were from Hobby Lobby. I first decided that I would use a wire wreath. This one is 16 inches, and it was $3.99 at Hobby Lobby with 40% off, so it was a little over $2. And then I'm going to hang the wreath with ribbon. This is the ribbon that I purchased. It was also 50% off at Hobby Lobby. It is 1.5 by 4 yards. These lemon sprigs were also half off at Hobby Lobby. I believe they were $1.50. Yeah, they were $1.50 each. I bought 5 of them. And then I chose this garland to use as the greenery on my wreath. It was also half off. It was $19 and it's 6 foot long. I'll have a little bit extra left over. So I'm just getting my piece of twine, looping it through. I'm just tying it tightly onto the wreath and then cutting off the excess twine. That's it. Then I have not cut my garland yet because I wanted to wrap it all around first before I decided on the length. So I think I'm going to cut mine about here. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use hot glue. I think I'm just going to flip over after I've inserted these. I'm just going to flip them over, and you have the back piece to the lemon sprigs. And I think I can just get a piece of twine and tie these around the wreath form, and that way I can reuse them, because if I use hot glue I can't reuse them. So I think I'm just going to do that and see how that holds up. Lemon sprigs, and I think I can just get a piece of twine and tie these around the wreath form, and that way I can reuse them, because if I use hot glue I can't reuse them. So I think I'm just going to do that and see how that holds up. I definitely ended up using twine to tie the lemon sprigs to the wire wreath form, and it worked out great. And I cut my ribbon, and I'm going to go hang it on the door, and I'll show y'all a picture. And this is the finished product. I think it turned out pretty cute, and for right around $15. Not too shabby.